What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Car Beats, man. Back with a POV drive, as y'all can see, man. And as y'all can tell by that title, you feel me? We done finally did it. We done put a little exhaust work on Scarlet, cuz, you know what I'm saying? Look at this nigga pulling out in front of me like an idiot. Idiot. But yeah, man, we got the exhaust done, a little mid-muff delete on Scarlet, man. So now I can ride the window down with a purpose. Right now, off the bat, I just drove all the way on the highway and didn't hit the gas enough for real, even, but just accelerating, bro. The car sounds exactly like how I did before I did anything, which I like, you know what I'm saying? Just a mid-muff delete. It ain't nothing, you feel me, crazy. Still got resonators on, you feel me? Still got cats on. But this what it sound like in the cabin. I heard a little different then, and I had it in eco mode the whole time. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see what it do though. I know y'all hear a lot of wind right now. Hold on. Let me get a little downshift. Let's see what the pop sound like though. Okay, hold on. One more downshift. That must still sound the same. Bro, my exhaust sound exactly the same. Nigga, what? Nigga, I just got robbed. Nigga, I just got robbed, cuz. By the exhaust shop. Nigga, I seen them take the mufflers off. Did y'all take them out? Y'all gonna put some more back on that muffler. They had to. These nigga had to, bro. Y'all heard that car. I didn't hear nothing. It sounded exactly the same. Second gear downshift. I mean, transmission in street, but it don't matter. You feel me? If it's loud, it's loud, cuz. That more, I mean, like, we're gonna see, man. Don't tell me the cat this quiet from a scat, bro. I know a scat louder than the cat, bro, but it can't be this bad, man. It can't be. If it is, boy, we got a lot more work to do. But it's traffic right now. I want to give y'all my real raw reaction, like first time. Then my raw reaction y'all can see right now. Them but that man talking about Nathaniel. Man, we're gonna see though. Was it worth $150? Cause boy, that's crazy. I mean, I love my wine. I just wanted to sound a little. I know it ain't gonna sound too crazy inside the cabin, but still though, gang, like. It supposed to sound like something, bro. I've been driving Mopar for a minute. I can hear a little more exhaust off the grumble. That's it. Well, it sound about the same, cuz. It's a little louder, I guess. I don't know, man. I have mixed emotions right now. I don't know. Let me see. Okay. Excusez-moi. I heard a little something. Hold on. I hear that little roar on the end of that bit. Hold on. Oh, it got a little roar to that motherfucker. I know y'all probably like, nigga, just a mid-muff delete. Calm down, cuz. Hey, nigga. Nigga, y'all don't know how long that car been quiet, cuz. Ooh, look at it. Y'all know how long that car been quiet, nigga. It got a little, hold on. It got a little crackle pop to it. Ooh, look at cuz. He smiling, yeah, nigga. You know that bitch sound good, nigga. Ooh. That bitch sound good, don't it? Hold on, let me get y'all boys a real one. Hold on. Stick 'em. Oh, boy, it's a whole new car. Hold on. Oh. Scarlet talking to their ass now, cuz. Hold on, bro. Y'all can see my fake car crew, bro. I am cheesing ear to ear, nigga. Nigga, my eye probably closed on cheesing so hard. Ooh. Hold on. It's mild, though. I like it. It's like mild, bro, but they got that, you feel me? I want to go to Chick-fil-A, cuz they line be OD for no reason. I still might go. I'm talking all that junk. Still gonna go. Hold on now. Let me see that entry. Dang, but that line go all the way around. But y'all be, man, bro. Chick-fil-A don't be that good, gang. That would make nigga not go, bro. Just for that reason. Damn, oh, no, I ain't going. I just got a million up to leave. I ain't even going. I ain't even got money for Chick-fil-A. Oh, that mother sound good. It's like the wine so loud, but you gotta like hit the gas hard for you. Cause the wine easily hear, look. You can hear the wine with no exhaust. Without making the exhaust work. But I should just went to Zaxby's, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know, I just know I ain't going home. Look at that. But yeah, boy. Yeah, nigga. Woo. We in there like swimwear. I'm scared to go this way. Something telling me, dang, I mean, I'm gonna go that way, but I ain't gonna do nothing. I'm scared to hit the gas that way, what I'm saying. I don't know why. Something just hit my spirit a little bit, but like, hold on, cuz. Slow your roll. All right, I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna chill for right now. But car crew, man, that must sound. Hold on, cuz I guess I was tripping. I wasn't really hitting the gas for real. I guess with the cat, you gotta hit the gas for real so that wine, so the exhaust can't overpower that wine, you know what I mean? But hey, pretty nice. Look at that. Okay, then go AT4 on there. 6.2 liter. Ain't the one like mine though. Cuz trying to race him. What's wrong with that nigga? Nigga ain't trying to run it, is he? Oh, he ain't trying to run it, little nigga. Nah, just playing. Let me chill out. But yeah, man. She sound good though, man. She sound good. Let me get y'all on a little third gear. I wonder if I got more torque. I ain't really hitting it for real. I can hit it a little bit now though. Hold on. Ooh. Did y'all hear the pop? Hold on. Let me turn the bit on. Y'all niggas ain't hear that. They got a little pop to it, and they ain't gonna do it right now. I gotta learn the pop. I gotta learn the range of the pops, bro. You know what I'm saying? The cat. I mastered the scat with the pops. I can make any scat pop, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like natural pops. You feel me? But yeah, man. Let's see what's going on. This the first POV though. There gonna be more, obviously. But I'm just showing y'all, like, you feel me? My initial reaction. This is like my real raw reaction, bro. I drove 20 minutes and like just talking on the phone, no hitting the gas, driving like this. Well, I can't hear nothing. And just to wait to get to that point right here, so y'all can cherish this moment with me. It be actually, you know what I'm saying, real, bro. I ain't gonna fake the funk by none of my vids, bro. All that junk be authentic, you know what I'm saying? I'm a regular nigga, bro. I ain't nothing to fake the funk about, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? So you want to know the true nigga about a car, how it gonna be, cuz just come to me, man. Come at me, man. Or come watch my video. I'm telling you, bro. I ain't gonna sugarcoat it. That mother was ad for, I ain't gonna lie. I was like, hold on. I had forgot the cat's a little different. You gotta really, you know what I'm saying, push down on the gas to hit the exhaust, cause the wine gonna always be the wine the first thing you gonna hear before you even hit the exhaust. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Like you gonna hit that mother low RPM, high RPM. It don't matter. That exhaust you can't hear at low RPM, so there's that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. We did a mid-muffin delete on Scarlet, man, finally. You feel me? Y'all boys just stay tuned for more bangers, you know what I'm saying? Now we finna really wake up a little bit, cause now she can make a little noise, but not too noisy. You feel me? But yeah, man, I'm probably end the video off right here. I know this video ain't, hold on. I'm gonna give y'all boy one more good little pull. Let me look around first. Let me look around. Y'all boy ready? Even I got heads turning now, nigga. When I used to do that, nigga couldn't even hear me. Oh, good. But yeah, man, anyway. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. You know what I'm saying? Me and Muffin Delete is off the checklist, you feel me? Now we ain't stock exhaust no more. We got a little noise, so now y'all boy can leave me alone. Man. But yeah. Anyway, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. For all my religious folk, man, keep God first, keep him in the midst, man. Stay prayed up. You know what I'm saying? Stay blessed out here in these streets. You feel me? My boys stay safe, man. You know what I'm saying? But also, man, like I also said at the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.